Darktable, the renowned open-source raw image editor, has just released version 5.0.1, marking a significant update to its 5.0 series. This latest version brings a host of enhancements, including expanded camera support, new noise profiles, performance improvements, and numerous bug fixes, all aimed at refining the user experience and broadening the software's capabilities. Expanded camera support. One of the standout features of Darktable 5.0.1 is its extended support for a variety of digital cameras. This update introduces base support for the following models. Leica SL3-S DNG users can now seamlessly edit RAW files from the Leica SL3-S, ensuring that the unique characteristics of this camera's output are preserved and optimized within Darktable. Minolta DiMAGE 5. Despite being an older model, the Minolta DiMAGE 5 has its place in the photography community. Darktable's inclusion of support for this camera ensures that users can continue to work with their legacy RAW files without compatibility issues. Panasonic DC-S5D 3:2. Photographers utilizing the Panasonic DC-S5D can now fully leverage Darktable's editing capabilities, with support tailored to the camera's 3:2 aspect ratio. Introduction of new noise profiles. In the realm of digital photography, managing noise is crucial, especially when working with high ISO settings or challenging lighting conditions. Darktable 5.0.1 addresses this by adding new noise profiles for several cameras. Fujifilm GFX100 II. This medium format camera is known for its exceptional image quality. The new noise profile ensures that users can effectively reduce noise while maintaining the intricate details that the GFX100 II captures. Fujifilm XS20. As a popular choice among enthusiasts, the XS20 benefits from a tailored noise profile that enhances image clarity, particularly in low-light scenarios. Fujifilm X100 VI. Street photographers and travelers favor the X100 VI for its compact design and performance. The inclusion of a specific noise profile aids in producing cleaner images across various shooting conditions. Additional enhancements and fixes beyond camera support and noise profiling, Darktable 5.0.1 introduces several noteworthy improvements. Vendor-supplied crop support for Fujifilm GFX cameras. Users of Fujifilm GFX series cameras can now utilize the vendor-supplied crop settings within Darktable, ensuring that the composition envisioned during shooting is retained during post-processing. Correct orientation for JPEG XL images. The update ensures that JPEG XL images are displayed with the correct orientation, even if the orientation is specified in the format's metadata, but not in EXIF data. Lensfun database integration. The Lensfun database, which provides lens correction profiles, is now included in the AppImage bundle. This integration simplifies the workflow for users by providing immediate access to a comprehensive set of lens corrections. User interface improvements. The addition of center collapsible module section labels enhances the user interface, making it more intuitive and organized. This change allows users to navigate through modules more efficiently, streamlining the editing process. Performance improvements. Performance is a critical aspect of any editing software, and Darktable 5.0.1 brings several enhancements. History management. The process of discarding the history of selected images has been optimized, resulting in a more responsive experience when managing edits. Style selection consistency. The style selection process in the print settings has been harmonized with the export module, ensuring a consistent and predictable workflow across different modules. Bug fixes. A series of bug fixes have been implemented to enhance stability and functionality. Scrolling in Collections module. Improvements have been made to ensure smooth and predictable scrolling within the Collections module, enhancing the user experience when navigating through large sets of images. Module filter functionality. The module filter in the Collections module has been refined to work more effectively, allowing users to filter and locate specific modules with ease. Preset management. Issues related to input-output processing order. IOP order user presets have been addressed, ensuring that presets are applied correctly and consistently. Zoomable layout panning. Panning with a mouse in the zoomable layout has been improved, providing a smoother and more intuitive navigation experience when working with zoomed-in images.